In a world driven by technology, precision is paramount. From the smooth operation of industrial processes to the accurate timing of school bells, the need for reliable and precise timing solutions is ubiquitous. Logic Technology has emerged as a leader in this domain, offering a comprehensive range of products designed to enhance efficiency and accuracy across various sectors. Logic Technology's product portfolio encompasses a wide spectrum of applications, catering to the needs of industries, educational institutions, and homes alike. Whether it's optimizing energy consumption with their intelligent AC controllers, or ensuring accurate timekeeping with their state-of-the-art GPS clocks, Logic Technology's solutions are engineered to deliver unparalleled performance and reliability. Their commitment to innovation is evident in the advanced features and user-friendly designs that characterize their products. By seamlessly integrating cutting-edge technology with intuitive interfaces, Logic Technology empowers users to effortlessly manage and control their environments with precision and ease. Logic Technology is a company driven by a singular vision to revolutionize the way we perceive and manage time. With a steadfast commitment to precision, reliability, and customer satisfaction, Logic Technology has established itself as a trusted name in the realm of timing and control solutions. From their state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities to their team of highly skilled engineers, every aspect of Logic Technology's operations is geared towards delivering products of exceptional quality and performance. Their unwavering dedication to research and development ensures that they remain at the forefront of technological advancements, constantly pushing the boundaries of innovation in the field of timing and control. Logic Technology's products find applications across a diverse range of industries, including education, healthcare, manufacturing, and transportation. Their solutions are trusted by schools, hospitals, factories, and transportation hubs worldwide, testament to the company's global reach and reputation for excellence. At Logic Technology, customer satisfaction is not just a goal, it's an unwavering commitment. The company's dedicated customer support team is always on hand to provide assistance, ensuring that every customer receives the highest level of service and support. Logic Technology's product portfolio is a testament to their commitment to innovation and their deep understanding of the diverse needs of their customers. Each product is meticulously engineered to deliver exceptional performance, reliability, and ease of use, making them the ideal choice for a wide range of applications. Their AC controllers optimize energy consumption in buildings. With intelligent scheduling and remote control, users manage air conditioning effortlessly, reducing energy waste and lowering their carbon footprint. Logic Technology's digital clocks are perfect for classrooms, offices, and public spaces. Their large displays and automated time synchronization ensure accurate timekeeping. Sleek designs blend into any environment. For schools, Logic Technology offers school bell timers and MP3 models. These systems manage bell schedules and broadcast announcements and emergency alerts. Logic Technology's temperature and humidity displays monitor environmental conditions including laboratories, greenhouses, and warehouses. Their accurate readings maintain optimal conditions. Logic Technology's GPS clocks ensure atomic clock level accuracy with GPS satellite signals, suitable for broadcasting, telecommunications, and financial institutions. Logic Technology's success is built on precision, reliability, and customer focus. These principles are embedded in their operations. Precision ensures their products meet the highest standards. Reliability means their products perform flawlessly. Customer focus drives exceptional service and support. Logic Technology leads in timing and control solutions. Their innovation and quality earn them a loyal customer base.